Hi guys, this is Sandra Ayan, your home care provider. I hope everybody's having a wonderful Thursday. I'm actually gonna run a few errands. I closed. But I've been talking to a few people and they mentioned to me this morning about taxes. So I said, you know what, before I get to where I'm going, I'm going to do a couple of videos on taxes. Now, I am not a tax professional, okay? But so if you want, what you need to do is you need to go talk to your tax professional because they are licensed. So what I'm going to be telling you is cases that I've come across, okay, in regards to taxes. And I'm going to tell you the outcomes of them. So I want you to take this information and I want you to ask your tax professional because they're the licensed ones. Tell them, I was watching this chubby Mexican girl with an attitude. And she was talking about IHSS, and I want to know what information you have about this. All right. So everybody's getting ready to file their taxes, or probably already has or hasn't. So some providers are exempt. When a provider is exempt from paying taxes, what this means is that they filled out a form where taxes are waived from their checks. So if they get 100 hours times a month, then you will take the 100 hours and multiply that times I can't go left. I guess I can't go left. Okay, I'll do it on the other one. Got construction going on. They would take that 100 hours and multiply it times the wage, the hourly wage, which would be, what is it? 100 times, I'm just going to do this at the top of my head. 100 times 1260 would be what? 1,260. I'm just going to add a zero. And that's what their check would reflect. And also on the right side of your check stub, it would have like FICA, Medicare, Social Security, dues, share of cost. And I'm talking about your check stub, right? But at the bottom, they would get the gross. The gross would be the 1,260, 1,260, because they do not pay taxes. They are tax exempt, okay? So the other kind of provider is the one that does pay taxes. Whether you are a provider that pays taxes or does not pay taxes, regardless, you still have to claim that income when you file for your taxes, okay? So if you go to, I don't know, any tax professional, I usually do my own taxes and I do them on TurboTax because I'm not going to pay. This year I'm going to pay a little bit more. So that's cool because I'm all right with that. I don't mind paying I don't mind paying someone that's actually doing me a service and they've done a great job for me. So this year I'm going to go ahead and pay them. So the information I wanted to give you guys was that because there's a lot of providers that are confused, that do not know if they should claim the income they get because they're exempt and they're not paying taxes. So they figure, I'm not paying taxes, so why should I even pay taxes? Why should I even report this income? Well, you have to report this income. There was a young lady that I spoke to a few months ago, and the reason I'm saying this is because she did not report. Oh, Lord. For the interruption, there was a phone call coming in. As I was saying, there was a young lady that did not report. She was tax exempt, and she did not, when she filed her taxes, and she actually paid a tax professional, which is crazy because you would figure they would know. She paid a tax professional to do her taxes, and that tax professional did not report her IHSS income and a few, maybe about, the IRS is up to you. There's two things that are definite, and that's death and taxes. So they will catch up to you. You will be paying your taxes. Trust me. So they ended up sending her a letter. Well, because she didn't claim, it was about $50,000 that she received in income from IHSS, because she didn't claim or report to the IRS that she had also received that income. She was now fined $10,000. So she calls me, and she just got the letter, and she saw my YouTube video. I don't know which video she saw. She said that I seem to be very knowledgeable, and I said, no, it's all experiences. Well, there you have it. Now she's stuck having to pay $10,000 because she did not pay taxes. No. She did not report that she had that income. So about $6,000, $7,000 of that was taxes, and the other $2,000 to $3,000 was penalties that she now had to pay. And I wanted to share this with you guys because one that did her taxes was a tax professional. And when she spoke to me, I said to her, really? That's not what I would have done. And I'm not even a tax professional. I would have checked the laws. I would have checked this, that. Because this program is growing that are not known. But from my experience in the cases that I have dealt with, and the people that I have dealt with, and the things they've shared with me, I would advise to claim this income. Now, I'll give you another example. You have a lady, another provider that takes care of her daughter or son. She makes 50 grand also, because she has the maximum amount of hours, which is 283 hours. And her husband works, and they file jointly. So she came in, and I ran across her, and I recognized her voice, and of course she was happy to see me. She looks amazing in black hair. She asked me, and then I told her, even though you're being exempt from not paying taxes on your work for your son or daughter, I can't really remember. When you file, make sure that you and your husband file jointly, and make sure that you report your IHSS income so that it does not come back and bite you, because it will. So that's basically what I wanted to tell you guys. There's other cases where, I've also had to deal with, what is this? Okay, I think I'm almost there. There's other cases that I have also had to deal with that have to do with taxes, but the general knowledge for this video is report your income. Report your income, because they will come back and they will find you, and they will give you a fine, like the example I just gave. So this is not a very happy video. I'm so sorry. I need a massage. I'm gonna go get one. Comment, like, subscribe, share, with anybody that you think might benefit from this information. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if there's anything I can do for you. A lot of my videos are generalized, okay? Especially where I'm teaching you guys how to do your timesheets. But you have to remember that you're an individual, and as an individual, your specific case. Oh, that's why I'm on the wrong street. Okay, cool. Your specific case is different than everybody else's. So when I tell you that I can do something, it is not for everyone. It is specifically for you. That's who it's for. So my phone number is 562-281-3219. Let me know if there's anything I can do for you. And I'll be more than happy to guide you and orientate you and teach you what I know. God bless you guys. Apparently I'm on the wrong street, but that's okay because I'm like right over. I'm gonna go get a little massage. That's why I'm not wearing makeup today. God bless you guys. Have a great day.